Okay, I'm watching now.
Good morning. Happy Thursday, traders. I apologize for the delay. I was messing with some settings with the vertical live stream on YouTube. Couldn't get it to work. Also, the 9 to 5 has not been kind to me. I've been very tired lately. But my wife's been able to get me up for the stream. We are within the hour of opening range. And then let's quickly get into it. I will be on tomorrow, so if you do want to tune in, like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so when I do live stream that you'll be notified as soon as that happens. Appreciate it. Let's get into it. This is the current stock heat map. NVIDIA up 3.39%, AVGO 4.44%. Those are just some notables. Looking at Tesla, which is my favorite one to look at. It's slightly down, negative 0.61. Cisco up 14.19%. Must be earnings. I have to double check. This is what the crypto bubbles looks like. Go to coin market cap. Current fear and greed index is at 47. So the social sentiment with all the crypto traders right now is about neutral. That's what I use that for. And let's go to the main page. There we are. Bitcoin's currently at $80,057.95. We did see a slight pullback yesterday to the lows, and we'll look at that. That's what the Bitcoin rainbow chart looks like. We are still in the purple zone. So if you're someone who is buying Bitcoin long term, if you take a look at previous halving cycles, that whenever we get down to this purple level, that these were very good, buying opportunities for the future. So if you believe in Bitcoin, if you know what it's about and where the price could go moving forward, start loading up. Not financial advice. All right. Oh, I forgot to start out with the date and time. So the date is May 14th, Thursday. Currently, it's 7:29 a.m. in Los Angeles, 10:29 in New York. And there's a sale on TradingView. So if you need more than, I think, 2 indicators is the default amount for a free account. And if you want way more, up to 25 indicators per chart, sign up for TradingView. I may or may not have a link in the description, but just check it out. But definitely sign up if you're into TA and you don't have TradingView. So, all right, so let's take a look at this. I put out a YouTube short, I believe it was either Sunday night or Monday, that I provided the option expected moves for the week of May 11th for Tesla. We put the video up on TikTok and on YouTube. But yeah, if you saw that video on time for the Monday opening, that would have been, perfect for a profitable day. Very quickly, where is my snap it? Oh, I guess I removed it. Okay. Well, I just have it on the screen anyway. I don't have my Excel sheet at the moment. We were expecting a low for Monday expiration of 416.99 and a high of 439.72. I drew this box to prepare for the week. Even before the market opened on Sunday, I knew that this level was going to be a level to buy because not only was there a confluence with the option range and a potential reversal or zone to purchase, but we did have a 50 EMA on the 15-minute chart be used as support. So that just, going into the day and preparing for that. If we turn on the pivots, This price did bounce from the S1, S2 zone of the daily pivots, if that's something you look at. Also, if you're subscriber to Lux Algo, I don't have my link up, but mind all the green here. But on Monday, when we saw price pull back to the 50 EMA, it hit this big, what they call a fair value gap, smack dab in the middle of it, and that was a buy opportunity. So you had several things going on here to signify that this was a good area to buy, or maybe scale in if that's something you do, or get some long dated options. 1469 would have been a good place to get in. We hit a fair value gap. It was in the S1, S2 zone of the daily pivots, pulled back to the 50 EMA, bottom of the option range that we were expecting for Monday expiration. And soon after, we would see the RSI move up, crossing up. If you drill down to a 5-minute, let me turn off the, I'll go very quickly. Yeah, go down to a 5-minute, that 50 EMA turns into a 200 EMA, which is this white line right here. And if you did not want to buy the bottom of this, you could have waited for price to cross the 50 EMA, or the 9 and 13 EMAs to cross the 50 EMA for confirmation, and then put your stop below this structure or underneath the recent candle, whatever your risk management rules are. Just figure what that is. Figure out what that is for you. Excuse me. I need to drink some more coffee. Still waking up. And then the target was either for R1, R2, or R3 of that daily pivot day. As you can see, when price hit the top of the Monday expected range of 439.72, we saw price react to it. Definitely, if you, let's say if you, obviously we're not going to get the absolute bottoms and tops, but if you got the bottom and top before we saw this red candle, that was $24.30 gain, 5.83%. So $2,430 with 100 shares, and probably even more if you bought options. Yeah, so that was a big money-making move to, put you in the green on a Monday for the remainder of the week. So definitely tune in. I'll be keeping track of the option ranges moving forward. I'll be putting out shorts as well, just to give some quick information on what I have for it. And then catch me live Thursdays and Fridays. So we just break down all the days leading up to Thursday and Friday, and then we bring ourselves up to speed with what's going on with Tesla and others moving forward. Okay. If I drew some fibs, oops. If I drew the high and low using the Fibonacci from Friday's price action, you can see that the 618 was near the option expiration range high.